Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make banana pancakes using only 3 ingredients. You are going to need about 3 overripe bananas, the browner the better, 2 eggs, and a half cup of all-purpose flour. Start by peeling the bananas and then breaking them into smaller pieces. Using a fork or the back of a spoon, go ahead and mash the bananas until almost smooth. Then crack in the 2 eggs. Pour in the half cup of flour and then mix well. Heat up the pan to medium and then add some oil. Add 1 scoop of the batter and make sure that it is even. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then flip over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Begin plating and then restart the process. Top with fresh bananas, whipped cream, or syrup. Enjoy!